Hey guys, in this video we're gonna unbox Amazon Fire Stick Lite and show you guys how to set it up step by step. So let's go. Hey guys, my name is Fahim and welcome to my channel. In this video we're gonna unbox a Amazon Fire Stick and show you guys how to set it up for the first time. So let's crack it open and see what does it come with. Guys, also I'm going to talk about another product that I just did a video on, so it will be linked in the description or also it will be in the iCard. So if you want to check that out, watch it after this video. So we're gonna pull this open, guys. If you want to buy this, it will be link also in the description. It just goes for $18. So now there's a Black Friday pre-sale, so early sale started because of the COVID-19. The sale is starting early, so there's no packet that day. So if you want to buy this, guys, if you want to buy any model, this one or the 4K one, it will be linked in the description and it's only for sale. So if you want to check it out, do it. So that's the remote, and over here there's the micro USB cable, and over here this is the main Fire Stick, and next to that there is a HDMI adapter. So I don't know why you need this. Probably if you have like a long space, if you have lots of space between your TV and the wall adapter, I don't know how to do it. And there's the manual that nobody read, and over here this is where the battery and the power adapter is. So this is the AC adapter, and over here this is the AAA battery for the remote. Okay, so first we're gonna check out the Fire Stick itself. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what does it look like. So over here this is the HDMI, so this is the main port gonna go to your directly to your TV. Next to that there's a micro USB, because I just like to see USB type C, but for this price you cannot argue. So guys, so this is a really good for, or if you don't have a smart TV, but if you want all the features like YouTube, Netflix, Hulu. So guys, now we're gonna put the two battery in the remote, because this battery is included. So if you don't have it, it's okay, you can just use this battery, and I think this battery is a good battery, and I think it will last for a long time. So now we're gonna just put it back, and boom, guys, now we're gonna peel this. Guys, this feels so satisfying when you peel that from any. It's over here. So that's the remote. So there's some. So guys, now I'm gonna just. Guys, so for me, I already have a cable, a micro USB cable, but I'm gonna still use this one because this is a long cable. So for me, for my TV is in the wall. So guys, now I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up. So now I just plug it in, and as you can see, it's just turning it on. It's just saying Fire TV. So we in the remote, so it's just saying on the remote, so you need to just press that button. It's showing you, as you can see, there is 2 languages. So just tap on it and then just tap one more time. Yes, I have no idea how to do this. Okay, so now you have to choose a language. So for me it's gonna be English, United States, and then it's gonna say searching for network. So now you need to connect your Wi-Fi over here. So you cannot do that thing. So guys, now I'm gonna just put in the password and I'm gonna come back when it's done. So now it's saying connecting. So it will just take a few seconds to connect. As you can see, the connector is finished. So now it's saying they're checking for update, guys. So if you don't know, it's gonna take a few minutes to update. So as you can see, it's just updating and doing all those things. So guys, now it's gonna restart, and now just turning it off. Yes, as you can see, this is really simple to set up. So guys, I'm gonna just fast forward this bit. So this almost took me about 10 minutes. So now it's saying it's sign in with your Amazon account, guys. If you don't have an Amazon account, just make it. So now as you can see this step, so just follow it. So step 1, go to amazon.com/code and then put in that code, guys. It will be different for all of you. So after I do that, as you can see, boom, the update is finished, everything is done. As you can see, now we're in the home screen. As you can see, guys, I already downloaded YouTube. As you can see, the background light is It's look really cool. So over here I already download the YouTube. So there's Netflix, Amazon Video, or there's lots of things. There's a Hulu with Twitch. Guys, if you want to check, and also there's a few games as well. So guys, see you guys next one. Until then, peace out.